In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed videos in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just getting started, seamlessly adding video content can truly transform your site, making it more engaging and dynamic. So, let's dive in and demystify this simple yet impactful task. First, make sure you've chosen the video you want to embed. This could be from popular platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Once you have decided on the perfect video, go to the video platform and locate the video file. Click on the Share button, and you will see an option to embed. Click on Embed, and copy the code provided. It's usually in an iframe format. This code will be crucial in our next steps. Now, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the page or post where you'd like to embed this video. If it's a new post or page, click Add New, or if it's an existing one, find it under All Posts or Pages and click Edit. After you're in the editing window, switch from the visual editor to the text editor. You can do this by clicking on the Text tab, which will allow you to work with HTML. Once you've done that, find the location in the HTML code where you want the video to appear. It's usually best to place it either at the beginning, end, or somewhere that logically enhances your content, maybe right after a key point. Paste the video embed code that you copied earlier into the HTML. This simple action inserts the video directly into your web page. Remember, it's essential not to alter the code unless you're familiar with HTML, as this might disrupt the embed functionality. Once you've pasted the code, you can switch back to the visual editor to preview how your video looks on the page. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit Publish or Update to save your changes. For those of you who are using the Gutenberg editor, embedding videos is even simpler. Start by adding a new block by clicking on the plus symbol, and search for the video block or select the Embed option under Common Blocks. Copy your video URL from YouTube or Vimeo, and paste it into the block provided. WordPress will automatically embed your video. It's that easy. Finally, before you wrap things up, consider viewing your page in a new tab to see how the video interacts within the context of your site. This step is essential to ensure everything flows smoothly and visually meets your expectations. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a video into your WordPress site. Captivating your audience with vibrant and dynamic content has never been easier. Keep experimenting with different formats and placements to find what works best for your site and your audience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides.